So the leasing process really depends and can be broken out into 3 different sections. First is the search part of that, and that really will depend on your preparedness as a tenant, the search criteria and your requirements, and if you know exactly what you're looking for, as well as availability within that market. Once you identify a space, you enter into the LOI negotiations, which typically take 2 to 3 months. And once an LOI is agreed upon by both parties, then you enter into the lease negotiation phase, which can typically take anywhere from 2 to 3 months as well. And once a lease is executed by both parties, you now enter into the design, permitting, and construction phases. So the design process, you'll work with your architect who will have ideally seen and walked the space and has CAD files to work off of, and you'll work with them to put together construction drawings, which typically take around 16 weeks. Once those CDs are completed, then you will take those construction drawings and submit them to the city to obtain your permit. And that process usually takes around 60 days. So once you're through that, you obtain your building permits, then you are ready for construction. And construction will take anywhere from 2 to 6 months, depending on your build out, the condition of the space, and any sort of landlord work that had already taken place prior to you getting into the space to start your own construction.